Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
Hey, what's going on? This is Influence. Today I got the BEZGAR radio controlled car off-road series. It's 2.4 gigahertz, got rechargeable batteries, shock absorbers, powerful motor, and anti-slip tires. So let's get this open. I'm gonna take it outside after I open it and show you what comes with it, and we're gonna see what's going on with it. Kind of excited because I like radio controlled stuff. I like cars and stuff like that. So you got a protection plan. You can check that out yourself if you purchase this. Got a nice little slip cover over the top. Then you get the actual control. So here's the control. Has pretty good. It's nice. Got little holes right here. I don't know, for your fingers, I guess. And then you can control it like this. They got clickeries, so I don't know what that's for. These don't seem to do anything, but they may. I'm gonna check it out. You get book, and you got this, which I assume is the charger. So you got a battery pack, and you have the charger. I forgot about the battery pack. So the battery pack is just self-explanatory. I haven't read any directions. I probably should, but it's easy. You can see that little lip there, and see this little thing that clips onto it. And now you can charge it up, get it charged, and we'll see. This looks like it does take batteries, which is why they sent the screwdriver. It's got 4 screws in there as well. Maybe the screwdriver's for something else too, but this takes 2 AA batteries. It's pretty robust, nice looking. Just got the off-road on the side. I think it can flip upside down and do certain things. I don't know. I'm gonna have to read to make sure. But yeah, it's nice looking. It's pretty light. That's what you want in a radio control car. You don't want it super heavy or won't go as fast as you like. Let me open this just to make sure there's no batteries in here before I say that you need to get some AA's. It doesn't include the AA's. You do need 2 AA's. So if you buy this, you gotta get the AA's. So the first thing I did when I stepped outside was jump it off my deck steps. And this thing is crazy. It took a beating today. Played with it for like an hour. I was trying to just review it, and it's super adorable. Then once it's on the ground, you can hit the button to transform. And you can try. Grass is too high, so hit the button. Transform to off-road again, so you can get through. Once you get it up to the terrain's a little bit less, hit the button, transform, then you can roll. Flatter, so you see it gains some speed. Then you're on higher grass. Uh-oh. You saw it flip over, and then I transformed it to the lower setting. Getting some trouble. Transform it to off-road. There we go. So this thing take a beat. Can you get it to turn over?
If you can't tell, this thing is super fun. I definitely recommend it. You know, if you're into, it's not a professional RC car, but it's great. It's great fun. All right, so thanks for watching.
Ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.